Hello, my name is Mohsin, and in this video I will show you how to replace the 3090 propellers. These can be found on our AG-210, 216, and 230 models. The most important step when changing propellers is identifying the orientation of your motor. They will be alternating between counterclockwise and clockwise. On an AG-210, this front right motor here, motor 1, is a counterclockwise motor. It's indicated on the motor itself, counterclockwise, and then there are arrows on the top of the motor as well indicating its direction. The propellers are typically available to you in pairs in your spare parts kits, or they can be purchased individually on our parts store. The propellers will have an embossed orientation on each blade, indicating whether it's a counterclockwise or a clockwise propeller. Easier still is to just hold the propeller up to your current propeller you are replacing and just make sure the orientation matches. As you can see here, the counterclockwise propellers will have the flat side to the left of each blade, and on the clockwise propellers it will be on the right. In order to change these propellers, you need to remove the 4 M3 screws holding them to the motor. Once again, confirm the propellers you are placing on the motor match the orientation of the ones you just replaced. These are counterclockwise, same as indicated on the motor itself in words here and with the arrows on the top of the motor. Make sure to line up the propellers so these holes are exactly lined up with the holes in the motor. It's very important to make sure the screws are being placed in exactly vertical. Be sure not to over tighten these screws when replacing your propellers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful with replacing your propellers. Once again, to reiterate, it is very important to make sure you are putting the correct matching orientation propellers on the motors, counterclockwise propellers on the counterclockwise motors, and similarly clockwise propellers on the clockwise motors. If there's any confusion regarding the motor layout, there's diagrams in your maintenance manual, and the propellers and the motors are labeled for their orientations. If you need more information, feel free to contact us. The description has our information. I hope you have a wonderful day.